the most satisfying moment when sheet metal processing in JRPanel. I'm sure many of us will find satisfaction and pleasure from oddly satisfying videos. These videos consist of cutting soap, playing with slime in different patterns, mixing paint, and many other strangely satisfying things. And this is the most satisfying moment when sheet metal in JRPanel removing welding flux. Here, our engineers are grinding sheet metal parts with an angle grinder, removing the welding flux. Once grounded, the surface flatness of the product is improved. Does this process make you feel oddly satisfying? After removing the welding flux, we will continue to do polishing, which is to facilitate the subsequent spraying of paint on the surface. In this way, the spraying yield is greatly improved. Follow JRPanel to know more about the factory fun.